Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing very well. So today your girl came with a makeup tutorial. Yes, this is my first makeup tutorial and I'll be showing you guys what I wear on my face every day. Please, I'm not a makeup artist, neither am I a professional. This is what I wear on my face every other day aside the shadows, because I don't wear shadows. Like sometimes I think it doesn't suit me, but for the purpose of this video I am wearing shadows. So if you're interested in seeing how your girl does her makeup, please let's get straight to it. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do that by clicking that little red button down below. Don't be stingy. It's your girl Mimi. Okay, it makes me happy, makes me want to do more videos for you guys. So let's get started. I'm going to go in with Trendy Top Experts Illuminating Fluid.
Take out our hearts just to tear them apart. Putting on a face just to play the part.
As you can see, I've already done my brows. You don't want to see how I do that because I'm not artistic, so I'm not very good at that. Next, I'm going to go in with Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation and the NYX because I got this in shade lighter, so I am using this NYX Total Control Foundation. Mixing that up.
It's dark down below. It's dark down below. Don't let it show, don't let it go. Your body never all alone. It's dark down below. It's dark down below.
Next, I'm going with my L.a. Gel Pro Conceal in the shade Foam, sorry. I'm going to set it with my Sasha Buttercup setting powder. I'm going to set my face with my NYX Studio Fix powder in NC45.
It's dark down below. It's dark down below.
So I'm also going to contour with this one, contour palette from H&M.
It's dark down below. It's dark down below.
I'm also going to highlight with the same palette. Like I said, little goes a long way. I don't want to look all shiny, so I just dab in a little bit and yeah, try to go over my brows and also my nose, just all the places that the sun would hit. Normally I don't use shadows, but I'll be using this today. I'll be using same under my eyes. So I use a white liner to open up my eyes. I don't do lashes, so I'll be using this L.o.v Extreme Volume Mascara and Essence All Eyes on Me. I'm going to line my lips with this. For the lips, I'll be going with L.o.v Liquid Matte Lips. This one is very pigmented, so I just dab this on my lips and I use the other one to blend it out. It's super pigmented, so if you love pigmented lips, then recommend you get your hands on it. So I'm going to be setting everything with P2 Pro Beauty Prep Plus Fix Spray. So guys, that's basically my everyday makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it wasn't boring, and if you aren't already subscribed, please make sure to click that little subscribe button and please turn on your post notifications so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you guys for your time, and I will see you guys with a brand new video.